Breaking news, a monstrous blizzard is pummeling California and Nevada, unleashing chaos with major roads closed, ski resorts shut, and over 15,000 without power. The Sierra Nevada mountains are facing terrifying wind gusts of up to 190 miles per hour, triggering a high to extreme avalanche danger. Emergency crews are battling blizzard conditions to reach stranded motorists on the Interstate 80 highway. Unbelievable snow levels are predicted, reaching over 10 feet in some areas, putting lives at risk near Lake Tahoe. Yosemite National Park is shut, with the weather too treacherous for visitors. The situation is so dire that forecasters are urging people to stay put, as it could take days to rescue those trapped. Meanwhile, in Texas, deadly wildfires are raging out of control despite the best efforts of firefighters. Stay tuned for the latest updates on these catastrophic events.